Alright, here's another update. Everything's still off as it was. But so now I gotta replace the whole tensioner. But I guess to do that you gotta take the cover off for the timing belt. I've heard it's easier to take the thermostat housing off, alternator, and some other shit. So we're gonna see how it goes. So first thing I'm gonna do is the thermostat housing. That should be, damn, I just had it. But it should be 12 mil nuts, and then give a check in. Another one? Yeah, there's another one. Fuck. Oh well. Is it easier? Hold on, let me do this. This might be easier for everybody. Whatever, let's do that. God damn it. Oh well. Jesus fuck, man. Oh, whatever. Oh, that fucking hurt. Yep. Jesus. This is all just gonna come out. There we go. Now I gotta clean that up before my neighbors complain. There's the thermostat. If you ever want to replace that, just pop it out. Jeez, fuck, man. I guess none of this is fucking easy. Ooh, yeah. Just pop it out, clean it, put it back, and then put it back on. So we're gonna put this away right there. Ooh, let's put that up. Hopefully my neighbors don't complain. Alright, so now that's off. The next thing we gotta do is the timing belt cover. So it seems, oh shit, it's a lot. Alright, I'll check back in. Alright, well, so far it's not running. So all you get so far, it is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. So I guess 3 bolts, 1 nut. And this guy is gonna be over here. It's notorious for, I guess, stripping the actual bolt that it screws into. So careful with that. Luckily mine just came out. I did just do my timing belt and water pump like earlier last month in July. So we're good. But yeah, so you take those 4 things out. That's for the cover. Cover should come out. Take this out. Put this somewhere else. Yeah. So now cover should come out somehow. Oh shit. That's your timing belt. Yeah, I'm not messing with that. But so now that the cover's out, we can put that away. And we need to, yeah, I guess do that 1 bolt. So far, it's only 1, I think. Right there for the alternator. That's screwed into the tensioner. I don't know what else. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'll see what else we need to do, and I'll do an update if anything is completely wrong or not. But yeah. Alright, so update number 2. I guess there was another small cover right here ish. Kind of hard to get on, but yeah, it's right there. It's just 2 12 mil bolts that are on. One right there. Where the fuck is this one? The other one is around here. If I'm pointing correctly, I can't see. You just take them out, it comes out, and then that's gonna be away. I think it might not be as much work. I was looking at a Sequoia for reference, but so far it's similar but a little bit different. So I'll give you guys a new update afterwards. Alright, so kind of a shit show, but what we, damn it, why am I a little bit brighter. Alright. So where did we? Okay, so we took that cover off. The next thing we did, what the fuck was it? Okay, so we had to take out these 2 bolts and 1 nut for the power steering pump. So they're right here. So you can tell they're 14 mil, and it goes. Oh, we'll just do one at a time. So there's one that is in here. Then if you can, let me see if I can zoom in. If you can, oh, that's it. Yeah. Then over there, that's where the nut goes. And then on the bottom, let me see if you can, on the last opening, like on that opening in the bottom, there's another spot for a bolt. And so we had to just, shit, now that one's stuck. We had to just take that one out, or take all 3 of them out. And that let us slide it all the way out, or a little bit out, whatever you need to do, just so we can get to the alternator. Whew. And now the alternator had 1 bolt, 1 nut, or 2 nuts and a bolt. 14 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 14, and then 12. This one was a pain in the dick. So the alternator's out, but right here it's like a sandwich. So there's another nut, I'm assuming for another covering, and then alternator, and then this nut. So at first when I took it out, the nut, this one was kind of stuck and kept on pulling the whole post out. So eventually I just kept on going back and forth, tightened it, just used a regular wrench, took it out, or loosened it, and just the nut came out finally. So those are 3 things for the alternator. Once you do the alternator, pretty much slide it. I don't know the best way. I'm just kind of letting it hang there. It's nothing, I'm not hanging on anything too delicate for my eyes. I mean, I could be wrong, but right now it's good. So, whew. Yeah, now we can do the tensioner. I did already loosen the nuts. So there's 2 12 mil right here. Jesus Christ. And then the alternator one, another alternator one, and that should be it now. So I'm gonna just look around, see what other stuff I can do besides the nut that I had an issue with earlier, see if that comes out easy, and then I believe that should be it for the tensioner. So yeah, all right. Now we got the new one in, the old one out, and it spins. A little bit of noise, but not preventive shit anyways for the old car. Now we redo everything again and hope didn't fuck anything up. So we got the new one in. Spins good. Whatever. Now we got the alternator back on. So it's a 3. Nut. This one might give you an issue. See, it's a little bit gapped there, just because I got to tighten it, but that one was a pain in the dick. And then the bolt is over here. So once you get these 3, these are 14, 12 mil. The one in the back of that is 14 as well. But after that, you can, because this is going to be loose, now you can put that back, because that pretty much just needed to move out the way for clearance wise. Yeah, and then tighten those. So we'll do the alternator, put these bad boys on, and then we'll see how it is after that again. Alright, so everything's all tightened up, good to go. I gotta clean it. No question about my idler pulley, so that's waiting. But that's about it. Next thing I'm gonna do is I might put the old one back on for now. Just put the new belt or not, I don't know. But yeah, the tensioner is officially done, tying out the way. Just gotta clean everything up and get ready to pack in before the rain.